In this video, you will learn how to divide a given arc O1O2 into 4 equal parts. First, draw a given arc O1O2 with center O. Now with radius greater than half of O1O2, draw an arc from point O2 and point O1 to get the intersection point C1. Now join point C1 to point O. This line will divide an arc O1O2 into 2 equal parts. Now repeat the same process for each half arc. Mark the intersection point C2 and C3. Now join point C2 with point O and join point C3 with point O. This way, a given arc O1O2 will divide into 4 equal parts. By following the same method, you can divide any arc into 2 raised to n number of equal parts. And students, always remember, while drawing the intersecting arcs, you must take a radius greater than half of the arc length.